So another great feature of Google Meet is the reminder option. So on a note, you're going to be able to add reminders to the keep. So, obviously it's going to call your attention to a specific place or time. And it's going to it can identify with GPS location. So basic way to set a reminder is to go to remind me and just set it by date and time. So you can choose, that later today at a certain time, or maybe tomorrow at a certain time, or next week at a certain time. You can be very specific and pick the date and time and how many times you want it to repeat if you need it to. So you can get in there and be very specific. The other thing you can do is actually, this is where the GPS location comes in handy. If you want to have that turned on, when you put in a location, what it's going to do is anytime now, obviously this would work on your phone, your mobile phone, when you have to have the GPS location tracker on for this app. And essentially when you get to that address, the phone will recognize it and remind you of whatever you've put in this note. So an example might be, a reminder to stop at the office and talk to, the secretary in the morning about something. And so as soon as you pull in the parking lot and the phone recognizes that address, it'll remind you to do as you needed it to do, right? So just kind of a cool feature, not something that has to be turned on. It is something you will have to go in and, turn on and allow in the app, but it is a feature and a lot of people do find it handy.